Students, myself JB Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, B.Ed 4th semester. We will discuss the topic meaning, significance and characteristics of environment education. Environment education, meaning of environment education. Environment education are the scientific study of the environmental system and the status of its inherent and induced change on organism. It includes not only the study of physical and biological characteristics of the environment but also the social and cultural factors and the impact of man on environment. Okay. इन्वायरमेंट एजुकेशन का उद्देश्य सिर्फ साइंटिफिक नॉलेज लेना नहीं है, मीन्स सिर्फ बायोलॉजिकल और फिजिकल नॉलेज लेना ही नहीं होता। इसके साथ साथ इन्वायरमेंट एजुकेशन में हम सोशल और कल्चरल फैक्टर्स को भी समाहित करते हैं, जो कि होल जितने भी ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं उनके ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट डालते हैं, उन सारे कंटेंट्स को इन्वायरमेंट एजुकेशन में कंसिडर किया गया है। द टर्म इन्वायरमेंट एजुकेशन इज मेड up of two terms, environment and education. Environment is defined as the sum total of conditions and influences effects affecting the life and developments of organism, and education is defined as forming desirable attitudes, values, skills, understanding and interest about the environment so as to preserve it and improve it for survival of the present and future mankind's. Okay. Environment educations defined as environment education is concerned with dynamic interactions between humanity and nature. environment education में humanity और nature के बीच में एक interaction होता है and it is directed at the improvement of the quality and existence फॉर ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स, जिससे कि जितने भी क्वालिटी और जो भी लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं उनकी क्वालिटी में एक इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाता है। नीड एंड सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ environment education. Environment is not a single subject. It is an interaction of several subjects that include both science and social studies. All environment is affected by the factors of people both individually and collectively. Environment education will help in developing various values, skills, attitudes necessary for solving environmental crisis. Okay, 3 disciplines include in environmental education. The main significance of environment education to clearly modern environmental concepts like how to conserve biodiversity, to know the more sustainable way of living. Next, to use natural resources more effectively, efficiently, to know the behavior of organism under natural conditions, and to know the interrelationship between organism and populations and communities, to aware and educate pupils regarding environmental issue and problems at local, national and international levels. Okay. Characters of environmental education. It is a lifelong process. ये एक lifelong process होती है and interdisciplinary and holistic in nature and its applications. Okay. Next, it is an approach to education as a whole rather than a subject. It concerns the interrelationship and inter connection connect connectedness between human and natural systems. It views the environment in its entirety, including social, political, economic, technological, moral, aesthetic, and spiritual aspects. Okay. It emphasizes active responsibility and it uses a broad range of teaching and learning techniques with stress on practical activities and hand-on experience. Need for public awareness about environment. In today, but because of industrialization and increasing populations, the natural resources has been rapidly utilized, and our environment is being increasingly degraded by human activities. So we need to protect the environment. The role of mass media such as newspaper, radio, television, etc. is also very important to make people aware regarding to environment. Thank you.